Sawadee krap. My name is Sean and today I am going to try and make a replica of my great grandmother's Aloo Paneer with a little twist. We will need 3 machines to do this. First is a blender, a pressure cooker, and finally an air fryer. Okay, the 2 key ingredients to making Aloo Paneer is of course aloo and paneer. Aloo is potatoes and paneer is cottage cheese. Okay, we're going to use half of these potatoes and boil them, and then right after that we're going to mash them. The other half we're going to cut into cubes and then we'll use them later. Okay, the paneer. If you don't have any paneer at home, I do have a video, so if you want to go check that out, you should. And I've cut these paneer into cubes. And then now, let's go air fry the paneer. I'm going to spray some of this with extra virgin olive oil. And then put some paneer in it, in the air fryer. That's good. Now let's put the paneer in. Now I'm going to spray some more extra virgin olive oil on top. Close the lid and then set it for 10 minutes. Okay, while we wait for the paneer to air fry, we're going to boil 2 or 3 potatoes and then mash them. Now we boil 2 out of 5 potatoes and then mash it. Oil, cumin powder, tomatoes, onion, ginger, garlic, Kashmiri chili powder, salt, raw cashew nuts, turmeric powder, fenugreek leaves, and finally, water. Okay, now that the cubed aloo and the smashed aloo and the air fried paneer is all done. Okay, I'm going to put the tomatoes, onions, cashew nuts, ginger, and garlic into the blender, so let's rough cut them. Now we blend. Use that 6. We're done. Okay. Wait, I forgot one ingredient. We will need tomato paste just to give it a little sour texture. I'm going to start with oil. Okay, just put that in the pressure cooker. Next comes cumin seeds. Get in there. Okay. Now the puree that we blended. That down. Next comes the tomato paste. Now we just stir it a little bit. looks good. Okay, now we put in the mashed potatoes. Next comes the salt. Now the turmeric powder. Now the Kashmiri chili powder. Okay, next comes the aloo that we chopped into squares. Now the paneer. Now we're gonna put some water in it. Fenugreek leaves. After this, we're going to set the pressure cooker for 20 minutes and then wait. Now we close the lid. Okay guys. Oh bad it didn't work. Hey guys, time to taste it. Yummy. This is very good. The water is not too spicy, not too sour. It's just perfect. That is good. That is good. Very, very good. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure to smash that like button. Hit like. Hit like. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.